Welcome to this next conduction and convection test review. This is the fourth one covering the fourth item that's on your test review. And it's very similar to the last one. And if you remember, we did the video where we did the lab where we had the soda bottle in the warm water and then we put it in the cold water, and here's the balloon. So it's just the second part of that lab. So be able to explain what caused the balloon to deflate in the experiment that we did. And it's not enough just to say, oh, all the air left the balloon. That's not enough. So why did the balloon deflate? Well, the air contracted, or the particles became closer together, because remember, as we get colder, and this is ice water, colder molecules, they're going to slow down, they're going to move closer together. So the air contracts or shrinks, and its volume decreases as the bottle is cooled. Now the air requires less space, so the air moves out of the balloon, thus deflating it. Because you have to remember, when that balloon's inflated, you have all this air pressure pushing on the balloon. So when the air molecules contract, the air pressure is going to deflate the balloon, and all that air is going to go back into the bottle. Now, it doesn't mean that there's no air in here. You know, if I was to draw the molecules, there's just going to be more down on in here. And because the air pressure was great enough, it was pushing on the balloon, it deflated the balloon. Some of you actually had the balloon, I don't know what you want to call this, inflate or deflate into the bottle because it got so cold. And that's because the air pressure was pushing on the balloon, even in that little opening enough. So again, the air contracts, it shrinks, and its volume decreases as the bottle is cooled. The air requires less space, so the air moves out of the balloon, thus deflating it. So make sure you watch this video again and make sure you can answer this question on the test.